Welcome to Linux Help channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to install Baun CMS on RHEL 7.6. Introduction. Baun CMS is an open source, lightweight, and extensible flat file CMS for PHP. It does not require database and administration backend and is a perfect solution for small websites. Prerequisite is to install Baun CMS, Apache, Composer package, PHP and its module. To check the installed version of OS, installed version is 7.6. Now I am going to download Composer package. Download has been completed. Now move this Composer package under bin directory. Name as Composer. Now we have to give execute permission for this Composer file. Now I am going to change directory to HTML. Here I am going to clone Baun CMS project. Clone has been completed. Now change directory to Baun. Here execute Composer install command. Composer install has been completed. Now we have to configure ownership and permission for this directory. Now we have to configure virtual host for Baun CMS. Name as baun.conf. Save and quit this file. After this, make an host entry. After the configuration, restart the Apache service. Now go to browser. In new tab, provide your domain name.
Thanks for watching these videos. Please subscribe our Linux Help channel. For further details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.